Alright guys, gonna do a quick review here of this Ninja Nutra Blender Pro. This has got the auto IQ, which basically means that it kind of knows how to do different styles and different pulsing methods to blend whatever you're gonna put in here. So if you're like me, you bought this wondering would it do a couple good things. I bought this almost specifically to make smoothies in, and as a result, I wanted to know, would it crush ice, would it blend ice, and would it blend frozen fruits? And I can tell you, absolutely yes, this would do that and does it well. I believe this has the 1100 watt motor in it. It comes with 2 different size containers to go on top here. One is this size here. This is the larger of the 2. This is, I believe, 16 ounce. Yes, this is 16 ounce. It comes with the attachment here that does the dirty work. It also comes with the smaller one. This is a 12 ounce one. 12 ounce container. So you get 2 containers. You get the blender blade attachment here. You get the unit itself, obviously, and then you also get 2 cup or 2 lids to go on these. These work very well. They fit inside threads. They do not leak. Seal up nice and well. So that works out really well. So I'm going to show you here real quick how I make a smoothie with this, and believe me, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, but this is the way we do it, and it works out really well. So the way we like it is we like that frozen fruit. Intensive food won't lead you. We place about half a cup of frozen fruit. Now, if you want more of a smoothie, fruity drink, we use apple juice or orange juice in this. If you want more of a milkshake, we put milk in here. So typically what we do is I will fill this up just enough to cover the fruit. If you're using fresh fruit, you would want to do less of that. Otherwise, this will be too watery. But if we're using frozen fruit, typically about as much liquid as you have fruit, we'll get it to about the right consistency. So once we get down there, we want to make sure the lid is snug. I'll put it on top. It latches in. There are 4 different latch points here where it locks in and turns. There is a start and stop manual. There's a crush feature, a smoothie feature, and a pulse. Pulse just does exactly that, on, off, on, off. The smoothie feature will change the pulse duration and strength depending on what it feels like it needs to do. And crush does that. It just crushes ice. I typically use the pulse feature, but I also use the smoothie sometimes, and that works well as well. Alright, so I did that for about 15 seconds. What I like to do is shake it. If you can hear it sloshing inside the container, that usually means you have enough liquid in it. Also, you can see it there. We'll take the lid off. Show you what it looks like here. That is about the right consistency. Of course, that will vary depending upon what you like, but that's what works for us. So I guess the ultimate question is would I buy this? Absolutely. It does a great job. It does not seem like it is skimping on power. It does not seem like it has any sort of issue crushing ice or crushing frozen fruit. As long as you put some water in there with it, or some fruit juice or some milk, does great. We've been really happy with it. We've used it now for about a year, and it does great. So definitely recommend it. Definitely would buy it again.